What's up, guys? We are back here with another Everything's Regular video, man. I want to thank everybody out there for tuning in today, man. You guys caught the video yesterday where we finally dropped our black Road Glide off up at BBV to get that air ride suspension figured out and all that good stuff, as well as get that vacuum line that's coming out the back of the engine switched out. So when we do get it back, all the fluids and all that stuff will be changed out. It should be starting up fine and ready to go whenever we wanted to and not pouring out oil no more. So can't wait to get that back. Meanwhile, we do have 131 Road Glide right here. That's going to be heading to Harley pretty soon. However, I'm waiting to go to Antonio's so I can pick up the other side of this dash right here because we forgot it when we picked up this paint set. So gotta go pick up that. Meanwhile, I'm waiting on the bags for this Road King so we can take that paint set down to Antonio. So I'm trying to kill two birds with one stone here and not have to do two LA trips. We do have the fender for the Road Glide. That's the broken one. We got a brand new one that's coming. So all the parts and stuff for the project bikes are pretty much on order and on their way. So this show should be on the road real soon. Meanwhile, if you guys haven't already, man, please like, comment, and subscribe. I definitely appreciate it, man. We are on this road to 100,000 subscribers, man. So if you guys haven't already, man, hit that subscribe button. It's free to do, man. You support your boy and I definitely appreciate you. So help your boy out, man. I definitely appreciate that. Meanwhile, if you guys haven't entered the giveaway for the big one, I'm giving away my 2021 Road Glide with the built 124 back there paired together for first place with our 2017 Ford Raptor across the street, man. The bike and the truck. The bike will be on back of the truck when you get that thing. That's just first place. We got second place, which is our 2017 Road Glide in the candy apple red back there in the big 23-inch and wrap around, looking oh so fine and all that chrome, man. That chrome is just hidden. And for the first time ever, man, we got third place. And not only third place, we got a third place bike. I'm giving away my Pop's 2013 Road Glide with all the bells and whistles, literally over $40,000 in parts, man. So the time is now. We have less than 100 hats left, man. So we're just about sold out. If you guys haven't entered in for a chance to win, all you got to do is head over to everythingsregular.com right now. Go copy a blue Everything's Regular hat, and that'll be your entry into the giveaway. We should be going live pretty soon, picking the winner of all three prizes, man. So get in while you can, because once it's gone, man. But in the meantime, since it's almost sold out, man, we got to get this truck pretty much ready to go now. I did clean it up last week. However, you guys know I've been having this thing for about a little bit more than a year, and the tires are a little bit worn compared to what I want you guys to be riding on, man. So I gotta go switch out a couple tires on that thing, get you guys a brand new set of tires. And then we got a slight windshield crack from like rocks hitting our window when we've been on the road, like transporting bikes and stuff like that, man. So I'm gonna get the tires switched out today, see if we can also get that windshield switched out, get the car serviced, oil changed, and all that good stuff. And then by the time we finish up that, man, we should really be sold out and you guys should be on your way to pick up you guys' truck, because I don't know where it's going yet, but to get that truck, man, you got to come here and pick it up with the bike on the back, man. So if you guys haven't entered in for a chance to win, man, now's the time, because it could be your time to shine. It could be you next. We could either be pulling up to your door with one of these bikes, or you can be coming to pick up the bike and the truck together, man. So head on over to everythingsregular.com. Go get you a blue Everything's Regular hat. Meanwhile, it's time to get this truck situated and all good to go, because it's about to be one of you guys' truck, man. And I want you guys to be safe on the road back and all that good stuff. So let's get it together, man. Yes, sirritos, man. Here we are. We got the big wrap now. I was telling y'all, I've been driving this thing on these same tires since I like bought the truck. Now the tires are pretty worn, so I'm about to get you guys some fresh, brand new iced out tires now. All of the tires are the same right now, except for, actually did find the key to the cover, so that's a plus. But all of the tires will be RBP Big Daddy tires like this. This is a pretty brand new tire, so gonna hook you guys up and get that taken care of. Like even this front one here is like worn out, so I just want you guys to be totally safe. And if you guys see on the windshield, you do got like a hairline crack, but we'll get all that figured out, man. I want you guys to really enjoy the truck and not have to do nothing with it when you guys get it, man. So we about to get this day figured out, hop in this truck, go get these tires, go get them switched out, and see what else we can accomplish today, man. So we're gonna take a break on the dually and the bikes, but by the time we get back, we should have our bags and stuff in stock, and we can be able to bust those down when we get back. So now the thing I like most about this truck compared to the dually, it does have the auto start, and then it has like this button on the door where you literally don't even have to have the key out to hop in the truck, opposed to the dually, man, you gotta literally pull the key out and unlock the door and then put the actual key in the ignition, unlike this one, which has the push to start feature, and you're just good to go. So you literally never have to take the keys out of the truck here, or out of your pocket rather. Then you guys see the hairline crack I was telling you about. So I'm gonna get that fixed up for you guys today, along with the tires. Get you guys a full detail, and we should be good to go with the truck, man. I can't wait. This thing is about to be one of you guys', man. So just want it to be really nice for you, and want you to enjoy it, man. So let's go and get these tires. Alrighty, man, we are in this wrap. You guys know that because the roof is freaking see-through, all glass up top. I love that roof, man. It's like when you get in this thing coming out of the dually, it's just like totally different. The Raptor is definitely more like of a sporty type truck. Dually is nice, don't get me wrong, but this is definitely like the sporty version of a nice truck, which is always a plus. But just miss being in this thing, man. I can't wait for one of you guys to enjoy this truck. I think it's gonna be freaking sick. You guys are gonna be looking at a freaking bike on the back of that joint, man. So you guys know what to do. We are on our way up here to get these tires and then take them to the tire shop to get switched out. Mama is at home right now, so we're trying to get all this stuff done before we take her to have a ball, man. So we're gonna see if we can get done today. Y'all stay tuned. I hope y'all like, comment, and subscribe to the video, man. Alrighty, guys, just pulled up to the tire shop. Well, the tire warehouse, rather. About to get this thing situated. What's up, man? Alright, I'm alright. The guy's the inside or what? Yeah. Oh, okay, cool. What's up, man? How you been?
Good. How you doing?
It's been a long time, man.
Yeah.
It was the back side over there on the passenger.
Okay.
Yeah.
So just you only did one, right?
Yeah, I only got one when I got this one.
Yeah. This is the RX one. This was the more expensive one.
Yeah. It's the RX, the more expensive.
Yeah.
Oh, I see now. Yeah. RX. Okay.
Yeah. Cool. You want to do the other three?
Yeah, I want 3. Yeah.
Okay. Oh, crazy. That tire. What is that?
It's like a sticker.
Oh,
the
sticker
letters
on it? Okay,
the
cool.
letters
I thought
was
your
white.
Tire was like,
yeah, no, it's all good. I like this sign you got right here, man. This Harley only sign.
Yeah.
You ride or what?
Long time ago.
Long time.
Now it's old.
Oh, okay. Y'all see my guy here got the Harley parking only. I need one of those in my garage. I need one of those, man. We about to get this thing loaded up and get it going. But y'all see it here first. Big wrap in the back. Woo, y'all see what's going. Yes, sir. We got them joints right here ready to go. Yes, sir. Y'all got me some snacks in here too, or what, man? We got some snacks. That's all good.
Maybe we got
I could put that one in the back seat if it's
okay,
yeah. You can just roll it in. Thanks, man. Appreciate you.
Yeah, no problem.
Yeah.
All right, man. You're all set.
My God, good looking out.
Thank you so much.
Good looking out, man. See ya. All right, man. Well, y'all see we got the tires, man. Time to go get these things loaded up. But first, definitely just now noticing that little nail right there. So it's actually perfect. We're getting some tires, man. You guys get to get some beefed up daddy-os, and when you hop in, this is what it's gonna look like. Ooh-wee. Alrighty, man. We just pulled up to the wheel spot out here in Vegas, man. They about to get me right. Got that big black wrap. Oh my God, I'm so like, it's like a bittersweet moment. Like the dually is nice, but it's nothing like the Raptor, bro. Like I ain't gonna even hold you. I wouldn't be surprised if I got another Raptor later on down the line. You even got the LED lights up front, man. Can't wait. Got them brand new daddies right there looking all good. So that's a plus. About to get these joints switched out. Have them looking like this back one right here. All good to go, man. So we're gonna get these wheels changed out and I'll get back to y'all in a second. New daddies right there. Okay, I can dig it. Another pair of new daddies right there. And last but not least, brand new big daddy right there, man. They think they slick because they get to keep the used tires. But I'm not gonna need them no time soon, so we should be good. Alrighty, now that we got those tires switched out, man, I'm about to go up to the car wash and then go get the oil change and stuff on this thing. But first, we're about to pass Harley Davidson up anyway, man. So I'm about to go check in with my guy, John, see what's up with our 131. see if we got all the parts or what we're missing or what's going on, because I'm pretty sure we might have got the motor in, but it's probably just one part that we're waiting on. So we're about to go in here and see what's up, and hopefully maybe even get a look at that brand new 131 straight out the factory. So I can't wait. We'll see what's up. Alrighty guys, just pulled up to the infamous Red Rock Harley Davidson, man. Now I got the 131 in here getting built, but like I said, after that Arizona trip, man, this will probably be the last bike I build here. But all in all, it's gonna be a great one, man. So let's go in here and see if they got anything for us now, shall we? Man, the man with the plan. What is up, man?
Yeah, what's going down?
Man, tell me some good news, dog.
Well, let's see.
Man, we have to pull up on the man with the plan, man. Is our 131 in or what, man?
It's here.
It's here.
It's here.
So I know you said we were waiting on the part. It was like back ordered. So
Yeah, it was due to clear back order yesterday.
right. So that means they made it yesterday, or you think it might have shipped out yesterday?
I'm gonna check right now.
Oh, okay, cool. Because you know I'm amped up, man. I only got to go pick up the wheels and stuff maybe like today or tomorrow. So in the next couple of days, they should be like complete, like on my end.
We're almost there.
Yeah, yeah. Are we able to see the motor at all, or is it all boxed up and
It's in
stuff?
a box.
Oh, dang,
Yeah,
okay.
but I'll
all right.
definitely call you down once we start on
Yeah, yeah, for sure. That'll be great, man.
Survey says.
Let's see what we got, man. Doesn't sound good.
I don't like it.
Oh my God. That was the extra part that she was like, man, we need it, but do we really need it?
We need it.
We need it, huh?
Yeah, we need it. I could probably, let me see if I can switch it to a black one.
Oh, the chrome ones was back ordered. Oh, okay. And so what is it exactly? You said it was like a oil cooler piece?
So it's a
Oh,
vent.
the top part,
It's a
the
vent
vent.
for the
Okay.
transmission, get rid of all the
Right.
pressure inside.
Right. Yeah, if we can get the black one, either one, it don't matter. And we are here at the freaking car wash, man. About to get this thing shined up before we drop it off at the oil change, just so when we get it back, it can be plush and ready to go. Because like I said, guys, we're about to be sold out on this bad boy, man. This truck is about to legit be one of you guys', man. I can't wait. You guys are about to be floating around the city with the freaking top back like that. All the sun shining in, man, just in time for summer and off-road and everything, man. So I appreciate you guys supporting, man. Without you guys, man, none of this stuff would be possible, man. So if you guys haven't entered in for a chance to win, you guys know what to do, man. Alrighty, guys, we just pulled up to Ford. In that Ford, yes, sir. That thing looking all clean and good now. I ain't gonna even hold y'all. They got the tires armor rolled up for us, looking real nice and spectacular. Yeah, it's time for y'all to slide now, man. We about to get this freaking oil change and stuff on this joint real quick, and then y'all should be pretty much set in motion and good to go, man. So I'm gonna find a lift while they get this done, go back to the house and get the rest of my day taken care of. But let's go in here and get this car logged in real quick, man. And just like that, guys, fresh out the lift, made it back to the crib. Raptor is in the shop, and look at what we got here at the front door, man. We got some, I believe these is our motorcycle bags, so we can actually take these to the garage, get one of them buzzed down, and get ready to take the paint. So that'll be freaking fun. Can't wait, dog. Just like that, guys, we're back at the house. We got our bags here. So we can actually start busting these down and getting these ready for paint, take those apart. And then once we take those apart, we can load up the car and head to the city and drop these off at Antonio today. Meanwhile, we can also get our rims, or at least get our rims to Antonio, because I got to do one more thing to the rims. And if we get them to Antonio today, we can probably get them back tomorrow. So let's get these bags detached and good to go. And ready for paint, man. And just like that, guys, we got our bags detached, ready to go. So now we got our front fender, rear fender, fork legs. We got our nacelle. We got the other half in LA already. Got our bags, of course. Got the oil cooler cover, side bags, and then, of course, the sliders here. We got the gas tank in LA already, and then some other parts for this joint, man. So we about to actually load up the car and get up out of here before it gets too late. Hey, go in the house. Go, hurry up. In the house, hurry up. Throwing rocks like it's the thing to do. Go. Alrighty, guys, just when I thought I was gonna be around the house today, man, our bags came. Now it's time to get above schedule, man. If we can get these, if we can get this paint set down to Antonio and pick up our wheels today, and at least drop our wheels down there, it'll be freaking that much greater. If not, we'll see what's good. But in the meantime, We about to fill this thing up, man. I'm not taking a truck on no trip like this. Definitely glad I got something like a gas saver like so, man. But we gonna see how much it takes to fill up. We are literally on E, so we'll see. 57 bucks, can't beat it. Alrighty, guys, we finally made it to the city, man. That may be our bags back there. We got a freaking car full of wheels and whatnot. About to take them to Antonio when we take the paint set so they can get nicely done real quick, and we can add some flavor to this chrome. But yeah, man, we almost at Antonio's. About to pull up and see what's good. Just pulled up to Tonio's. So I got everything here except for the gas tank, and there's one more of that in your hand. It's one more of those. So the gas tank and one more of those, and then everything else is here. And then I gotta go get the gas tank right now. Okay. So I can either meet you at your house and then the other piece, yeah. Okay. I can either bring it to your house or if you still be here, I don't know. But I wanted the same color.
Same color?
Yeah. So and then I definitely had to pull up to my auntie restaurant here, Fishbone on Carson Street. If you ever in LA Torrance area, man, check out Fishbone. It's pretty good, man. Family restaurant. Y'all go check it out, man. Next morning here, guys, we finally made it back late last night. Now I'm about to throw this freaking dash on this road glide real quick just so we can finish this off along with the windshield gasket trim. So we'll throw that on real quick and then finish this up, and we should be done for the day, man. And just like that, guys, we got our windshield trim on there looking good. We did get our dash piece and all that good stuff up here situated, so it's pretty much complete now, minus the speaker covers and the 131, man. So we gonna pretty much get this one down on Harley today, man. So I can't wait. So alrighty, guys, it's gonna be a wrap for today's video, man. If you guys haven't already, man, please like, comment, and subscribe. I definitely appreciate it, man. We got a lot of work done today. We got a lot of work done on the truck and the bike today, man. I can't wait to get that paint set back to see how that Road King is gonna look. Meanwhile, we gotta go pick up our Raptor back from Ford today. It just got serviced and all that. We got the new tires and all that joint, man. So the winter shouldn't have no problems getting back to wherever they coming from. So if you guys haven't already, man, please like, comment, and subscribe. I definitely appreciate it. If you guys haven't entered the big one, I'm giving away my 2021 Road Glide with the Build 124 paired together for first place with our 2017 Ford Raptor, man. The bike and the truck, the bike will be on back of that joint when you get that thing. We got second place, which is our 2017 Road Glide and Candy Apple Red back here with the big 23-inch and wraparound and all that chrome, man. I think it's looking so freaking fine. I love when I pull that thing out in the sun, like literally the sun hits that chrome like on another level, man. And for the first time ever, we got third place. Not only third place, we got a third place bike. I'm giving away my Pop's 2013 Road Glide with all the bells and whistles, literally over $40,000 in parts, man. So the time is now. If you guys haven't entered in for a chance to win, all you got to do is head over to everythingsregular.com right now, copy your blue Everything's Regular hat, and that'll be your entry into the giveaway. We have less than 100 hats, man, so the time is now. If you guys never entered, it may be your time to shine. Go ahead and cop a hat and support your boy, man. I definitely appreciate it, man, because we could be pulling up to your door with one of these bikes, or you can be coming down here to take delivery of this truck, all for just purchasing a hat, man. You guys see, we got the other box of hats right here, so those are about to be getting shipped out. If you guys haven't got a tracking number or your hat in the mail yet, man, stay tuned. We're getting the rest of the stuff shipped out this morning, so you guys see it here first. I can't wait. I appreciate you guys. If you guys haven't already, man, please like, comment, and subscribe. I will catch you guys on the next one, dog. Peace.